So as you know, nowadays there's lots of environmental issues in the world now. There's lots of pollution and global warming, stuff like that. And we protect the environment not only for us, but also for everyone else in the world, for every living thing. Yeah. So today we're going to talk about the Amazon fire.
So, as you know, the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, and often the largest rainforest is called the lungs of the earth because it's make a huge amount of oxygen with trees. So the Brazil's National Space Research Institute said that it is about 76,000 wildfires in the years, and there are about 85% of them rise last year.
So as you know, they estimate about more than 3,000 square miles of the rainforest is lost between January 1st and August 1st. That's just a few months, about 7 or 8 months. But look at how much they have lost. More than 3,000 square miles, which means more than 8 square kilometers. Thousand. Yeah.
And the large fires of the Amazons is burning to another neighbors countries such as Argentina and Paraguay.
And also, as you know, Amazon forest is a rainforest, which means it's very moist and there's lots of rain, right? Moisture and stuff. So if you have ever been to the Amazon forest, you will know how it feels like to be wet in moisture. So it's very, very difficult to have natural fire in the Amazon forest as it's a rainforest. But they're still burning now, right now. It's not rare at all. It's very a lot of it. So do you know why? Because of course it is very difficult to have natural fires, but it's because of human, not all, but mostly. So human, we burn down that forest to have space for farming, for cattle, or economy. So we do it for our own goods. The Brazil do it for their own goods to be richer, to have more space. But they don't know what's happening with the Amazon forest right now.
And most of the Amazon's forest is now firing. It is, as you know, the lungs of the earth are really important, and it is about 20% of the Amazons is burning right now, 20 to 25%.
So as you can see that when it starts to fire, there will be less trees, there will be less moist. So it leads to more dry season. Also, what is the benefit of the Amazon forest? Why is it so important, right? Because 2 billion tons of the carbon dioxide is taken in by the Amazon forest each year. So the carbon dioxide plays a very, very big part in the global warming, which means that it's affecting to us, human right now. But the Amazon is protecting us. It's leading out the oxygen, but taking in 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide for us. So why do we cutting down and build fire in it anyway?
And as you know, the fire in the Amazons now is really large, and the Amazon's rainforest is about 10 times of Texas, and it is really, really large. And there is home to about 20% of the plant species that cannot nowhere else on the earth can find those plants. And with each hectare's burn, we could be losing like a plant or an animal species that we didn't know about.
So as you can see that it's taking in the carbon dioxide, right? So it's releasing the water vapor also, and which rise into the clouds and producing rain. That's the water cycle, as we all need every day. Water, as you can see. But now, if the Amazon is being destroyed and it will not let out the water vapor anymore, it's because look how big the Amazon is, and it stopped producing water vapor, which plays a big part in the water cycle. So as if it's the water vapor is kind of all out, so it will lead to the water cycle collapse. Also, it's about 20 to 25% of deforestation. So without enough trees to create the rainfall needed for the water cycle by the forest, the longer and more pronounced dry season will kind of produce out. So rainfall cycle will collapse and the water cycle will collapse. Water. We're now in need of water, but we're still destroying it. Then why, right?
And now they have the huge amounts of fires in the Amazon's forest, and is lost a massive loss of the forest and also by biodiversities, and it will add to the climate change, such as the ice melt and is make the sea level rise, and also sometimes it will the global warming is hot, and it will also cause the fires as now in the Amazons, and it is, as you know, massive loss of everything like the human health, because all the trees are burning down, so there will be less oxygen for us. That is about the human health, and also economic benefits.
So, as you know, this is very related to the government because now for cattling, for farming, it's kind of it's making Brazil richer. This will be, like she said, economic benefit. So as Bolsonaro views, that is, Bolsonaro is the government of Brazil, he just blamed all of the citizens for that fire. He said that the citizens is causing the fire because they don't like him. They want to make him bad. So yeah, even the government doesn't take any responsibility for this harm. So what can we do about it? Well, try to have kind of saving stuff, stop pollution stuff, and I hope that you will try to save the Amazon forest as well. Well, that is all about the Amazon fire today. So, well, that's all about it, and thanks for listening. Bye!